Hi everybody, and thanks for joining me for the second video on using the embossing and distress ink technique. For this card, I'm going to be using the distress ink called Wild Honey, the distress oxide called Cracked Pistachio, and oxide called Picked Raspberry. The first thing I want to do is I cannot find my masking paper anywhere, so I'm going to have to create my own mask. So let's get out the Misty here. If you don't have one of these and you're a card maker, it's a game changer. Can't get that game changer. Okay, that's good. Over time, I've lost my magnets. I'm having a really funky, awkward day today. I'm not sure why. So we'll just try to get through this video as best as we can. Let's get wifey. Oh, it wouldn't really matter. Okay, forget I did that. Because I'm just going to cut this out anyway. And I don't have to have it like really dark, since I'm just cutting it out. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and make the card base right now. And stamp that. I've got my new paper cutter is fraying my edges here. I don't think I'm going to do anything like hassle with it right now. Okay, so it is upside down, so I want to make sure I'm putting my card in the right position. Yeah, that looks like it's pretty good. Okay. Now this one I will stamp 2 times. This particular stamp set is this Ranger stamp. This is the very first time I've used this. So maybe that's why it's kind of bubbly. I don't know if you guys own any of these, if you're having the same issue. Let me know what you did. I think I heard somebody, I don't remember where I say that you could use like a nail file or something to get off the one layer that's causing it to do this. Okay, let's put all this away now. Okay, so the I'm going to call it the embossing folder that I'm using today is one of these Impressibilities. I've been playing around with it off camera. Not sure where this ended up. Probably the bottom of my magnet plate. So I tried to run it through my Big Shot. It's a little bit, but not what I was looking for. And then I also ran it through just regular cardstock, and it just wasn't giving a good embossing effect. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm going to fussy cut this. And the good thing about this is with this magnetic embossing thing here, I don't have to worry about taping this down. It's just gonna stick right to it. Now, confession, I have made a couple of cards just to try it out, see if it's working, and I really like it. I think it's very pretty. Just trying to get that a little closer. Get it a little bit closer here too. You'll see why in a minute. It doesn't have to be perfect. Yay. Okay. Bring this over. I'm going to lay this down here. And I'm going to take my, oh, let me just move this here. This is what I'm using for the keep it down. I tried taping it. It just wasn't going to happen. All right, I think that looks great. All right, so I'm just going to start from this end. And I'm going to lay it down just like this. Now it looks like this might have moved a little bit. No, it didn't. Never mind. All right, let's get started. Start off with the picked raspberry. One of these got bent up. And these do bend up. You have to be careful when you're doing this. So I'm not going to push too hard. I want it to get a full coverage. A little bit darker here. Nice. Okay, let's go to the cracked pistachio. See how the magnetic board, I guess I call it, holds down that thing I fussy cutted. I will find my masking paper. I just don't know where it's at right now. Okay, and then let's bring in the wild honey. We're almost done. Now I'm taking caution, knowing that I've been touching this because there is ink on it. So when I'm done doing this inking, I'm going to wipe my hands real good, my fingers, because I don't want it to get on the card. Okay, it looks like I covered everything. Oh, that's pretty colors together. Yay me. Okay, so just wiping the tips of my hand. And this also needs to be put in like a wipey or something that you can wipe off right away. All right, then I'm going to take this off and look at how beautiful that is. I love it. It's so simple, but so pretty, right? All right, everybody, I'll probably put like a happy birthday stamp in there. And that's all for now, and see you on the next video. Have a great day.